Hi, welcome to another video with Unreal Engine 4.27.2. Today we will try to make main menu. Are you ready?
Here we go.
First we need to create a map where our main menu will be. To do this, right-click on the bottom panel and select Level. Name it and double-click on it. Everything is black because there is no light on this stage, but we don't need it. Now to create a main menu we need a widget or UI that the player can see. To do this, right-click on the bottom panel and hover over User Interactive. Then choose Widget Blueprint. Name it what you want and double-click on it. Now you will see a window where you can edit what the player sees, that is the interface.
Now do what is shown in the video. Of course you can set everything up as you like. But remember to set anchor. They are used to pin an object to a specific place on the screen. For example, if you have some statistics at the bottom, you set anchor that they should be at the bottom. Remember about this when designing your interface.